How to add shop button on Instagram in 2023. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and get the shop button on your Instagram, as well as sell shop products and much more. So let's just go ahead and get right into how you can go ahead and do this. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on the top right corner with the three horizontal lines on your profile page. Now from here, it should actually load up the settings. Just go ahead and click on settings. From here, now make your way down to account, and then you're going to want to make your way towards to the add new professional account setting. Now you're going to go ahead and press that. Now I already have a pre-existing professional account, so I'm just going to go ahead and switch to professional account. Now you should get the same options as if you're creating a new professional account. Just follow very thoroughly, just click continue until you get to the what best describes you page. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and put what best describes you. Now I'm just going to put it as a clothing brand, and then we're going to press done. Now it's going to ask us if we are a business. If you're a business, just go ahead and put business. If you're a creator, just put creator. If you click either or, you'll still be able to get the shop button. So I'm just going to click creator here. Now we're just going to wait for it a little bit to actually load up, and you can see here, just press not now. And then now that you actually see, we actually have a professional dashboard on our account. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you're going to want to make your way down to more tools underneath monetization. So just go ahead and click on more tools. And from here, it's going to say tools to set up and then shops. Just go ahead and click on shops. And then from here, it's going to say open your shop on Instagram, and it's going to give you a couple of things that actually, gives you. So just go ahead and press get started, and it's going to ask you to actually, link a Facebook account for another setting. But since I actually have that linked already, it's just going to bring me to the connect a catalog page. So basically, you just go ahead and connect a Shopify store here, and you're just going to go ahead and configure everything, and everything should be as simple as it says right here. And it pretty much is straightforward from here. So that's how you go ahead and set up a shop or get the shop button on Instagram, and it's extremely simple to actually go ahead and do, guys. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.